Have you ever wondered what the next evolution of the digital dollar could look like? And are you curious about how a Trump-inspired crypto project is shaking up the world of decentralized finance? Welcome to BingX. Today, we're doing a deep dive into World Liberty Financial, or WLFI, a protocol that's redefining how digital dollars move across the globe. WLFI is a decentralized finance platform launched in late 2024 and inspired by the Trump family, who remain central figures in its development and vision. The project's core ambition is to upgrade the US dollar for the blockchain era, making stable digital dollars accessible both on-chain and in the real world. Their slogan is "The Dollar Upgraded," and the protocol is designed to serve individuals, businesses, and DeFi developers who seek secure, transparent, and borderless financial services. So how does WLFI work? These are the core facts, holdings, and tokenomics. So what makes WLFI different from every other DeFi project out there, and why are investors paying close attention to World Liberty Finance in 2025? According to Reuters, a Trump-owned business holds a 60% stake in World Liberty and is entitled to 75% of all revenue generated from coin sales. Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. play active roles in managing the company, working closely with partners Zachary Folkman, Chase Harrow, and Zach Witkoff, who oversee the day-to-day operations. Eric and Donald Trump Jr. have spoken publicly about the use cases of World Liberty Financial, notably at Token 2049 Dubai 2025 conference earlier this year. WLFI operates on a foundation of two primary assets, the USD1 stablecoin and WLFI governance token. USD1 was launched in March 2025 and is fully backed one-to-one by US dollars and treasuries, and has reached a market capitalization of over $2.2 billion as of July 2025. The stablecoin supports multi-chain functionality running on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Tron. USD1's assets are custodied by BitGo, a regulated digital asset custodian. A major airdrop in June 2025 distributed 2.1 million USD1 tokens to more than 25,000 wallets, resulting in a 40% increase in active wallets and a surge in weekly transactions from 10,000 to 35,000. WLFI's governance token empowers holders to vote on platform upgrades, resource allocations, and strategic partnerships, giving the community a direct say in the project's future. As of July 6, 2025, WLFI's portfolio is valued at approximately $179.6 million, with significant holdings in wrapped Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, and stablecoins such as USDC and USDT. The total supply of WLFI tokens stand at 100 billion, with 25 billion sold in a public sale that raised $550 million. 17% of the supply is reserved for user rewards, while 20% supports the development team and operational needs. The protocol is actively expanding its reach, including the development of a mobile app to make digital banking and governance accessible to users of all experience levels. WLFI's ecosystem and governance. How does WLFI blend the old world of finance with the new possibilities of blockchain, and what role do everyday users play in shaping its future? World Liberty Financial is more than a single product. It's a growing ecosystem that blends traditional finance with blockchain technology, offering stablecoin payments, lending, borrowing, and governance participation without the need for banks. Anyone can acquire USD1 on exchanges such as BingX to send or receive payments globally, while developers integrate USD1 into DeFi applications for fast and secure dollar-based transactions. WLFI token holders participate in governance through community forums and the snapshot voting system, shaping the direction of the protocol. The project's investment strategy is designed to reinforce the US dollar's dominance in DeFi and to maintain liquidity across multiple blockchains, reflecting a balanced approach to both innovation and risk management. Independence Day 2025, WLFI proposes tradable tokens. What happens when a DeFi project marks Independence Day with a bold move towards decentralization? Well, on July 4th, 2025, World Liberty Financial marked US Independence Day by filing a historic governance proposal to make WLFI token tradable across decentralized exchanges. This proposal is a milestone for the protocol, signaling a strategic shift from a closed governance model to one that prioritizes open participation and community-driven growth. The announcement was made through the project project's governance forum and quickly became a focal point for the crypto community. But why does making WLFI tradable matter for the future of DeFi and for token holders? The proposal aims to unlock World Liberty Financial's full potential by enabling token holders to trade on secondary markets and participate in governance actions that include emission schedules, ecosystem incentives, and treasury policy. The move is designed to facilitate price discovery, peer-to-peer trading, and broader utility, aligning with the ideals of financial independence and transparency. This governance proposal is a response to strong demand from the community members and partners, many of whom believe the time is right for WLFI to become tradable. What this trade proposal means for WLFI's future. Could this proposal be the catalyst for a new era of community-driven finance? If the proposal is approved, WLFI will transition from a non-transferable governance token to a fully tradable asset, opening the door to broader community participation and market-driven growth. Early supporters who purchased tokens during the project's sale will be able to unlock a portion of their holdings, while tokens held by founders, the team, and advisors will remain locked under a longer schedule to ensure stability and long-term alignment. The timing and eligibility for further unlocks will be determined by future community votes, reinforcing the protocol's commitment to decentralized decision-making. This phased approach is designed to prevent sudden market shifts and foster a healthy, engaged community. World Liberty Financial's impact on the global crypto market and US regulation. How is WLFI setting new standards for transparency and regulatory compliance in DeFi? The shift towards tradability is expected to increase participation, liquidity, and price discovery in the WLFI ecosystem. By reducing concentrated ownership and moving towards a decentralized governance model, WLFI aims to meet the new US digital asset platform standards and reduce regulatory pressure. The protocol's leadership has emphasized its commitment to transparency and market integrity, positioning WLFI as a model for future governance-driven DeFi projects. World Liberty Financial's growing popularity and institutional backing. WLFI's rise in 2025 is fueled by high-profile leadership, major institutional investments, and a bold vision for the future of digital finance. The protocol secured a $100 million investment from the UAE-based Aqua One Foundation to expand DeFi infrastructure across Europe, Asia, and South America. Combined with a $550 million public sale and support from leading crypto venture firms, these partnerships signal growing institutional confidence in WLFI's ecosystem. The independent audit of USD1, the rapid growth in user adoption, and the upcoming tradability of WLFI tokens have all contributed to the platform's increasing influence on the global crypto market. How to trade World Liberty Financial tokens on BingX. Pre-market, step-by-step guide. Are you ready to get in early on World Liberty Financial? If you missed the public sale, you can still access WLFI early through BingX pre-market trading. Here's how. Step 1. Sign up or log in to BingX. Create a BingX account, complete the registration process, and verify your identity, KYC, to access all trading features. To trade on BingX pre-market, ensure you have completed your advanced KYC too. Step 2. Fund your BingX account. Deposit funds into your BingX wallet. You can use popular cryptocurrencies like USDT or other supported assets to prepare for your WLFI purchase. Step 3. Go to the pre-market trading section. Navigate to the pre-market tab on the BingX platform. Search for WLFI to view its current pre-market trading details, including price offers and available orders. Step 4. Place a buy or sell order. As a maker, you can set your own price and create a buy or sell order for WLFI. As a taker, you can accept an existing order from another user at the listed price. Step 5. Secure delivery of WLFI tokens. After the public listing of WLFI, the tokens you purchased will be delivered automatically to your BingX spot wallet. Why trade World Liberty Financial on BingX pre-market? Trading WLFI on BingX pre-market gives you early access to one of 2025's most anticipated DeFi tokens. You can potentially buy at lower prices and position yourself ahead of the official market launch. Start trading WLFI now on BingX pre-market and be among the first to participate ahead of the token generation event. So, will WLFI's move towards full decentralization set a new standard for the future of digital finance? World Liberty Financial is at a turning point, with the proposal to make WLFI tradable representing a significant step towards full decentralization. The protocol's roadmap includes expanding its ecosystem, increasing community participation, and integrating with more blockchains. World Liberty Financial is positioned to play a leading role in the evolution of digital finance. Always remember to do your own research before buying any cryptocurrency, as the digital asset can experience significant price swings. If you find this guide helpful, subscribe to BingX for more in-depth crypto insights, like this video, and let us know in the comments if you're planning to trade World Liberty Financial. I'll see you next time.